Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that can arise when switching from a Mac to a Linux laptop. The issue at hand is all about ensuring the security of your new setup, particularly when it comes to hardware-related bugs and vulnerabilities. Now, let's talk about the solution to this dilemma. Unless the hardware is open source, the responsibility for fixing hardware bugs falls squarely on the shoulders of the hardware vendors. This can be done through two main avenues: hardware replacements or firmware updates. Firmware updates can be managed in various ways, such as through Linux firmware packages that collect updates from different vendors. These updates can come directly from the vendor or be extracted from Windows drivers. In summary, when it comes to securing your Linux laptop's hardware, the key lies in how well Linux supports the specific hardware and how dedicated the vendor is to providing necessary updates. If you want to ensure your system stays protected, keeping an eye on firmware updates and vendor support is crucial. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, stay curious and keep exploring the world of tech.